Let us practice yoga systematically, step by step. Understand the ideologies of yoga asanas and pranayam and make yoga a way of life. When you balance your body, you balance your emotions. Dear friends, we must never practice pranayam before any prior breath training. There are 9 stages of breath training to be practiced before we begin the actual practice of pranayam. These days, almost every doctor and practitioner in science is recommending yoga along with his written prescription, which puts us in a super hurry to master asanas and pranayam as soon as we can without any basic training. Let us get onto our yoga mats and try to understand the basics first and learn to slowly evolve with our practice. Through my previous videos, we understand that the basic essence of yoga lies in creating energy within the body through our breath. Though breathing is a natural process, we must consciously make an effort to strengthen the respiratory system so that the body gets ample amount of oxygen, which is possible by breathing slow and deep, also known as Pranayamic breathing. Yogic breathing techniques are categorized as pranayama or pranayamic breathing. So currently, if we are breathing 30 to 40% of our lung capacity, we can improve this capacity by 60 to 70% through pranayam. Though we have already discussed 3 breathing practices in my previous episodes, we shall do a quick summary on all the 9 stages of breathing practices to be practiced before pranayama or pranayamic breathing. Practice inhaling and exhaling from left nostril. 5, 10, 15 rounds of slow deep breaths. Practice inhaling and exhaling from the right nostril. 5, 10, 15 rounds of slow deep breaths. Once you are comfortable with Anulom Vilom, begin to focus on the length of the inhalation and exhalation. Apply a simple ratio of 1:1, which means if you inhale to a count of 5, try to exhale to the same count of 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gradually increase the length to 10, 15 or 20 counts. Kumbhaka. Kumbhaka means breath retention. In yogic language, when breath is retained after an inhalation, it is called Antarang Kumbhaka. Initially, the ratio practiced is 1:1:1, which means the length of inhalation, retention and exhalation remains equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep practicing till the breathing becomes comfortable and free. When retention is practiced after an exhalation, it is called Bahir Kumbhaka. The ratio practiced is 1:1:1:1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you are comfortable practicing 1:1:1:1 ratio, you can gradually increase to a ratio of 1:2:1:1, which means 5 counts of inhalation, 10 counts of retention after inhalation, 5 counts of exhalation, and 5 counts of retention after exhalation. Your pranayamic practice should be such that you should reach the final pranayamic breathing ratio of 1:4:2:2, which means 5 counts of inhalation, 20 counts of retention after inhalation, 10 counts of exhalation, and 10 counts of retention after exhalation. Please remember to practice with concentration and without any strain. Practice slowly and comfortably till your breathing is effortless and without any discomfort. Pranayam means, in our journey of life, when we learn to pause a little, we get to live a little more.